Watching this is pretty much the day after I got the quad. So right now I'm taking it apart because let me just show y'all. You see all this shit, leaves, dirt, and shit like that. Now I did ordered just like a whole bunch of parts yesterday to replace just like a lot of stuff on the bike. You know what I'm saying? So like this, you see that's cracked. Ordered a new one of those. You see the exhaust pipe, super rusted. There go the muffler right here. I ordered a new one of these, a new pipe, new radiator, new carburetor. Ordered new arm bars for the front, new front bumper, new headlight. I just ordered I just ordered a new thumb throttle as well. Trying to see what else. There's a whole bunch of other stuff. I'll probably put it in the video, but ordered a new chain, a new sprocket for the chain, a new disc brake, a new caliper, new brake pads. What else, man? And then just some other little stuff that was cheap. And I said, why not just switch it out? I'm still going through the bike. Now, mind you, I bought this bike from a friend. He bought it. It came with the bike and then some extra Ds and some extra tires. So I put a picture of those in the back. In this video, as well as some helmets. Now, he rode it, and then for some reason, it just didn't start no more. He didn't have too much room in his garage, plus me and him homies. So pretty much gave me this for a super steal. So I literally spent probably like $1,500 last night on just a whole bunch of stuff. Like some of the stuff I just named, and then whatever else the little stuff I put on there as well. I know it's like a board head kit, man, I don't know. I'll put it down here because I can't remember everything. But I'm still ordering parts. I actually just ordered a seat cover for this because you see it's blue. I am going to paint the body and then change it. I'm pretty much giving the bike a full makeover. Actually, you know what, man? I was going to make an intro, but this is intro. This is the 2006 Suzuki LTZ 400, 400cc engine. And like I just said, everything that I was replacing right now, mind you, the bike, it doesn't turn on. And I think it's probably something super simple because he was on here and then it just stopped working. But before I go figure out what that is, I'm about to just try to take care of some of the items on here, like switch them out myself. And that probably may have it start up. Or, I take it to the shop and they figure out, I really don't care. But you see the bike right now. It's used, obviously. It's kind of worn. It's not actually in good condition, but like I said, y'all know me, man. Y'all see the red eye. If I get something, I gotta go crazy on it. So this is pretty much the intro video to this quad. Definitely got way more mods coming on now. The stuff that I'm putting on, we'll be making a video for, as well as GoPro rides, this, that, and the third, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Adding the ATV to the channel. It's supposed to be a dirt bike. And I only just bought this because my homie had it. Other than that, I probably even got it. But was going to bring a dirt bike to the channel. Probably still will, but end up getting the quad first. So right now, I'm just taking off the flares. I'm going to take off all the flares. You see all this, man. It's fucking dirty. I'm going to just hose this whole thing down, like from top to bottom. And then I got parts coming in next week, and I start adding those parts. But y'all stay tuned, man. Definitely stay tuned for the build, man. So anything I get, I'm going to mod it, I'm going to do something to it. I'm not going to keep it stock, but, man, I'm going to add some stuff to it. It's going to look crazy. Definitely can't wait till I get my mods in next week. I'm going to start adding that stuff. Definitely, man, got some stuff coming for the ATV, man. Now, I did see some, rebuild stage 2 cam kits that stuff. I pretty much could have got that, but like I said, I just want to add the stuff and replace it first, and then once I do all that, maybe I add some type of performance upgrades. I'm not for sure, but definitely know I wanted to switch out the things like just this pipe right here is just an eyesore, man. Man, it should look nasty. But and this right here, honestly, you can't even. It's already cracked, and like the way it felt like it cracked easily while you push it in, because I actually pressed that in myself because it was cracked and then just crumbled right there. So definitely switching that out and the stuff that I named. But about to get all this stuff off right here, hose it down, and then pretty much be done with it for the day until I get my parts in next week. I literally just ordered the stuff last night. Some of the stuff is going to be here next week, and then the rest will be here the week after that. So once I get those items, I don't know if I'm doing unboxing on everything at one time or as it comes, but definitely stay tuned to the channel. If you're into ATVs, you know, comment down below what you think I should do to this. If you got this, just let me know how it rides or whatever, man. And definitely, if you into ATVs, I got the content coming. You know, still doing, you know, big red eye shit, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. That's pretty much it. I'm out, man. All right, so it's like 2 days later after that initial video that y'all just seen. Now, I was going over the ATV introduction to the channel, this, that, and the third. Now, I did go back and order some more parts. You see, I took the fairings off and pretty much hosed the whole bike down. You know what I'm saying? It was like leaves, dirt, all that stuff. I want to get a good look at the bike. And some of the items that I got coming in, I'm going to put on myself. I did find a shop because I'm going to take this to the shop. I'm not familiar with quads, dirt bikes, and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I work on this, but this is totally different. I don't want to put something on incorrectly and it don't start or whatever the case may be. So I'm actually going to only put on the easy bolt-on parts. The rest, I'm going to take it to the shop. I'm going to record that, so y'all stay tuned for that. Now, like I said, I did hose it down. And my initial thought with this was I was going to paint it, but then I was like, well, I got to sand it and smooth it out. That's just going to be too much work. So I did find a video on YouTube where the guy was just showing how he restored this right here. I don't know, the camera not really picking it up, but the color is kind of discolored and it's rough and this, that, and the third. Now, I'm not going to paint it just because me personally, I don't have the time, patience to sand, buff, and do all that stuff and then prep it and prime it. I'm not doing that. I'm not going to pay nobody to do it because I'm already putting, mind you, this is just a side project. You know what I'm saying? I already bought the quad. Then I bought like $1,600 worth of parts off eBay. And then I still got to pay the shop to do the stuff for this. So I got the money, but I'm not about to put too much money in this because this is just like a little hobby. This is something to do. Now, what I'm going to do is partial wrap these pieces. Well, what I want to do is like get them prepped, you know what I'm saying? Bring the yellow back a little bit more. So, like I said, I found a video on YouTube. The guy, he pretty much had this right here. He had 3 things, but one thing he said don't use. So, pretty much I'm going to use this right here to rub it all down. And then he mixed both of these to bring the shine back. So, this is pretty much smoothing it out, you know, making it even, this, that, and the third. And then this is like bringing the color back on it. And then he had these towels right here. So y'all stay tuned. I got some stuff coming in the mail. Some just came today, but it was only 1 piece. And I just ordered stuff like 2 or 3 days ago. So I got way more stuff coming in the mail. Once I get everything in the mail, I'm going to do an unboxing for all that. And then we're going to take it to the shop. I will be recording all that, man. Y'all stay tuned. If you're into ATVs, this is a Suzuki LTZ 400. And I got mods coming, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to show y'all this last part before. Because next time y'all see a video, it's going to be pretty much unboxing of all the parts. And then after that, that's going to be, you know, me taking it to the shop, stuff getting installed, then how POV rides and, you know, all that other stuff. So stay tuned for that, man. But this is a new segment on the channel, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. All right, so I don't know how good the camera is picking this up, but this is the day after. I did do this yesterday. I wish I would took some before pictures, but definitely looks way better. There was a lot of sticker residue. You can see the spots where the stickers was, but you can tell now. See if I can zoom in. You can tell it just looks way better. So now I have to put, you know, decals or stickers or whatever I want to do to it now. I have to clean the yellow off because the yellow's not that bad. At first, the yellow was real bad, and I said I was going to paint it. But you see, definitely looks way better. If you've seen the stuff I showed earlier in the video, that's the stuff I used to basically do it. Like I said, I used the first thing to like wipe it all down and smooth it out and remove some of the dirt or grime or like just the rough parts. And then I came back and mixed those two, and that brought like the color back and gave it a shine. But yeah, I just want to show y'all that real quick, and that's gonna be pretty much the end of this video.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96. 11 past 11.